ready, Nathan?
Hey y'all, Dyin Barbecue, back in front of the grill today. If you're coming back, welcome back. If it's your first time here, hey, thanks for checking us out. The holidays are coming up. We're gonna do a dish. It's a nice little appetizer, something you can serve up. It's really good. Everybody likes little finger foods. We're gonna be making sausage balls. These things are super simple, easy to throw together, and I promise you, people are gonna gobble them up. So, let's get into making this thing. But if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, punch the like button. Let's make some sausage balls. Like I said, this is a really simple recipe, minimal ingredients. Let's get into putting this thing together. Now what I've got here is just some flour and some baking powder. Get that off in our bowl here. And then I've just got some salt, pepper, and I like to put a little chipotle in mine. That's just chipotle powder. We're gonna toss this off in here. We're gonna kind of stir that around, mix it up, get the flour and the spices all incorporated together. And then I've just got some cheddar cheese. You can use whatever cheese you want to. I like cheddar in mine. I've made them with other cheeses too, and they're great, but I just like the way that the cheddar tastes in them, so that's what we're gonna use. Same thing, we're gonna try to combine this together a little bit. Get it all mixed up. Then I've just got 1 pound of sausage here. Just break this up and get it off in here. Now I'm using regular sausage. You could use spicy sausage if you wanted to. You can use the sausage with the sage in it. Whatever flavor you're looking for, go for it. And then we just got a little bit of butter. Well, I'll put that off in here. Now I'll leave the full recipe in the description on this video. Now you just want to get in here with your hands and just combine this. Get it all mixed up. It'll take a little bit of work to get that cheese and all that flour combined with your sausage, but just keep working at it and it'll come together. Now then that you got it all mixed up, we're just going to take and roll these up into little balls. You're looking for about a 1-inch ball, something like that. Then we're just going to put them on a baking sheet here. Now I'm using silicone baking sheets. You don't have to use silicone sheets. You can just use a regular pan. A little bit of parchment paper on it because it helps them come off of there a little bit easier. Hardest part really is just making all the little balls. I'm gonna go ahead and get these knocked out. Try to keep your sausage balls about the same size, that way that they cook evenly. You don't have some getting done before the other ones. There it is. That's all there is to it. Now then, we're going to be cooking this thing on the Pit Boss Austin XL. We're going to be cooking at 400 degrees. This is a hot cook. It doesn't take very long. It's probably going to take about 20, 25 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. We're going to get the grill fired up and get these sausage balls on there. Alright, so we've got that grill up to temp. It's cruising at 400 degrees. Like I said, these things are not going to take very long. Let's get them thrown on the grill. We'll let them roll in there, like I said, about 20 minutes. We'll check on them, kind of see what they're looking like. We just want them to get a little brown, but we also want to make sure that that sausage is cooked all the way through. We'll check on them in about 20 minutes. Alright, so they've been on there for about 20 minutes. I'm going to bring y'all in here. We'll take a look at them, see what they're kind of looking like. Get you in closer. There they are. They're getting a little bit of color on them. They're looking pretty good. I think they're like about another 10 minutes. We're gonna let them just rock and roll here for. All right, so here they are. Those things wound up going about 30 minutes. Like I said, super simple, super easy. Put these things out for snacks during Christmas. Everybody's gonna love them. These things get a real nice color on them. That cheese in there makes them great. Let's just take a bite and see how we did. Sausage is cooked perfectly. Like I said, the cheese, that chipotle flavor in these makes them delicious. You might want to make a double batch. Hey, if you like what you see here, I got an Instagram page at Dyin Barbecue. I also got a Facebook page, Dyin Barbecue. Serve up some sausage balls at Christmas. Everybody's gonna love them.